Just got a special delivery, the Galaxy Fold, and now I'm gonna unbox it. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, we provide in-depth reviews and unboxings for all tech. Today we're unboxing the Galaxy Fold. Now I wasn't gonna get this because, of the price and just, first gen things sometimes don't seem to work out very well. And I promise I know how to get into these things. Okay, here we go. So let me slide it out, guys. Slide that out. Oh, very nice, very nice. Let me place this. Wait, it's in there, it's in there. So slide it out again. Oh, I like the little attention to detail. Put that over here. And we're going to lay it down, lift the top, and voila. Now this is nice. This is very, very nice. Oh my, it is very nice, guys. Very nice. So you do get some care instructions, and it's do not press the screen with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail, or apply excessive pressure. When folding the device, do not place any objects such as cards, coins, or keys on the screen. It says this device is not water or dust resistant. Do not expose to liquids or small particles. Do not attach any adhesive such as films or stickers to the main screen or remove the top protective layer. It also says your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets such as credit card and implantable medical devices. If you have a implantable medical device, consult your physician before use. Oh man, let y'all listen to it. Okay, keep looking at it. You can definitely see that crease already. Let's see if I can hold it up so you can see it. But I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm gonna see what comes in the box. So in the box, just over here, let me see, unfold the future. Meet the Galaxy Fold. And basically just welcoming you. Okay, oh, Galaxy Fold Premier Service. Your Galaxy Fold comes with specialized customer care service designed to deliver the best possible foldable experience of our valued customers. So it's basically saying that you get a screen replacement offer. This is to give you peace of mind with the exciting new screen technology. We are offering a one-time out-of-warranty screen replacement within 1 year of purchase for the special price of $149 plus tax if you purchase your Galaxy Fold before December 31st, 2019, which I did. Fold Concierge, need assistance? Exploring the unprecedented design of Galaxy Fold may require some additional support in the beginning. So it's basically, you call them if you need help with it, but yeah, I don't need help. And that's it. That's just what's in the box? What's in the box? Wow, here's my AT&T SIM. Let me see. You get the, oh, very nice. You get your USB-C. Let me see, your wall adapter. I think it's fast charging. Of course it's fast charging with Samsung. You get your, these are the little ear things for the earbuds that came. The Samsung Galaxy Buds. This time. I forgot that you get these free with it. Hint, hint, Apple. Hint, hint. They're free. Nice. Very nice. So we'll test those out too, guys, and tell you how I love them. This is the tool right here for you to transfer back and forth all your information if you have another device. And then here, this was, oh, that's pretty cool. It comes with a case. Comes with a nice little case on there. It's nice. It says fold. And this little SIM ejection tool. But let's get started. Oh, and then of course the most important, your terms and services. That's a thick boy. That's a thick boy right there. And this, of course, is the case. And like I said, the case is nice. All right, now back to the device. Oh my gosh, this device here, guys. This device. Let me turn it on. Oh, look at that. Very, very nice. I am going to have a full review of this. And I'll boot up a little bit, and then I'll show you guys that first click together. While it's starting. Here we go, guys. Before you go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video. Also, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.